Over 100,000 tech jobs vanished in early 2026. If you work in tech or know someone who does, you need to understand why this is happening now. In the first quarter of 2026, major tech companies slashed over 100,000 jobs. Amazon, Meta, Oracle, and Snap led these cuts as they sought to reduce costs and boost efficiency. These layoffs reflect a dramatic shift in the industry as firms invest heavily in artificial intelligence, even while their stocks rally. This wave of job losses is one of the largest tech layoff surges in recent memory and signals a new era where AI is reshaping workforces. For example, one unnamed tech company informed employees it will cut 10% of its workforce, impacting roughly 8,000 people. These layoffs target not just developers, but also everyday staff members, leaving many caught in an uncertain job market. An internal memo revealed these cuts will take effect on May 20, underscoring the speed at which companies are acting. Workers are now trapped in a highly competitive environment where AI skills are becoming essential. The driving force behind these layoffs is a strategic shift towards AI. Companies are cutting jobs to redirect funds into massive AI investments, aiming to automate tasks and reduce operational costs. Pearl's head of AI operations, Mark Quinn, experienced firsthand how AI can displace workers, even those developing the technology. This strategy allows firms to shrink their way to efficiency, replacing human roles with AI-driven solutions to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving market. Tech employees now face a challenging future. As companies automate roles, the demand shifts toward AI and machine learning expertise. Many displaced workers must upskill or pivot to remain relevant. The surge in layoffs shows the urgency to adapt quickly. With thousands of jobs cut and new roles left unfilled, the tech industry is at a crossroads. Those who can master AI technologies may find new opportunities, while others risk falling behind. Interestingly, while thousands lose jobs, tech stocks are rallying. Investors see these layoffs as necessary steps for companies to become leaner and more AI-focused. The move to AI efficiency promises long-term growth and profitability, fueling stock gains. This contrast highlights the complex dynamic where the industry benefits financially even as workers face hardship. It's a sign that the tech economy is rapidly evolving, with AI at its core. If you work in tech or rely on the industry, this wave of layoffs shows a clear message. AI is transforming jobs fast. Upskilling in AI and adaptability are now critical to secure your future. Stay informed and be prepared to evolve with the changing tech landscape. Don't forget to subscribe for daily updates on how AI impacts your career and economy.